case number RCM 74-2022, Matshidiso, Lechamochamo, Noxolo, Phindela, Zola Spambo, they are in custody, Lwazi Kaki, Phindela Kaki, Lechamochamo, Zola Spambo, Kaki, and Kali, they are in custody. Thank you, Your Worship. All 5 accused are before court. The matter is reported before Your Worship. In the matter, state is ready to proceed.
As it pleases the court, Your Worship, I confirm that I appear for all 5 accused. The matter is indeed for trial today. However, Your Worship, the accused number 1, Your Worship, is not in a position to proceed with this matter today. I'm informed by accused number 1 that she had been diagnosed, Your Worship, with major depression, Your Worship, on the last occasion. The court had sight of the document. And she requires the court to assist her, Your Worship, so that she may be taken to the hospital for medical attention, as well as to get her prescribed medicine, Your Worship, for her condition. I tried my very best, Your Worship, to try and speak with the accused person. However, Your Worship, she was very incoherent. I could not make out what she was trying to say because she appears to be someone, Your Worship, who is in need of medical attention or even psychological attention, Your Worship, like that. She's also advised me that her medication ended on the 13th of November, and since then she has not received any further medication because at the place where she is held, she was informed that she would require the doctor who prescribed her the medication to be the person who gives it to her or prescribes it out to her again. She says that, Your Worship, she had been promised to see a psychologist. However, the psychologist has not yet arrived at her place of detention. She suffered from severe headaches, Your Worship, and just recently, following the lack of treatment and medication, Your Worship, she had almost suffered a stroke at the clinic where she is held, Your Worship. That is what she was informed. So, Your Worship, with that said, Your Worship, I really am not in a position to proceed with the matter today, or rather, my client is not. And I've discussed same, Your Worship, with the state prosecutor. I'm going to make an application, Your Worship, that the accused be taken to the hospital and to be attended to at the hospital. And hopefully we can roll the case over for tomorrow, Your Worship, for further evidence, Your Worship. There is one last issue, Your Worship, which seems to be important to the accused person, and that is the issue relating to her children, Your Worship. She would like this court to assist her, Your Worship, with going to Old Mutual, where she says that there are funds which are held there, particularly for the children, Your Worship. Once at Old Mutual, Your Worship, she'll be able to access the funds and be able to fund the children, Your Worship. Because the minor kids, Your Worship, are not receiving any other care. And it's further adding to the condition that she is currently suffering from. Those are the instructions, Your Worship.
So in essence, you're not in a position to proceed today?
Yes, Your Worship. No, accused number one is not, definitely.
Yes,
Thank you, Your Worship. I hear what my friend has just said. And if accused number one is not well, she should be taken to the doctor or to hospital today. Then tomorrow we see her condition, whether it's improving or not. But as for now, it cannot be postponed to say his accused is not well. There should be a medical findings to support this application.
So can we then roll this matter over
Until tomorrow, yes. As pertaining to the issue of accused being taken to Old Mutual to access some funds, I think that can also be arranged in that one. As we had been doing it when she had a private attorney to access the funds. I will talk to my IOs and see what they can do. Yes.
But I think
nyewe he ya tšhetša go fitlhela letsatsi la osane o etsetsa gore re kgone go tswela pele ka yona nyewe imise la usuku lwangomso ityala ukuze sikwazi ukuqhubeka nalo ityala eli ngosuku lwangomso kuso wapili obra wabone hammogo le wabuhlanu lunaheli ditlamong tsa mmuso go fitlhela letsatsi la osane mangalelo okuqala wesithathu wesine nosihlanu lizawuba selivalelwe ebele usuku lwangomso
Number one will be taken to the doctor at hospital today so that tomorrow will be in position. As with regards to the application that she be taken to all mutual, really if indeed that is the case, she should approve the children's court. I cannot entertain that application.
ma go sane he o lebeletswe gore moqosuwa wa pele ebe o isiwa ngakeng re tlo tseba go fumana tlaleo ya ngaka gore na o reng a ka kgona go tswela pele kapa tjhe ka letsatsi la hosane rona re lebeletse gore ebe nyewe e tswela pele mabapi le kopo ya hae ya gore o kopa go isiwa go ha Old Mutual go ya lokisa ditšhelete tsa bana tjhe nna ke le lekgotla le seno se kankane go boikarabelo ba ka empa le teng he lekgotla le teng le shebaneng le ditakatso tsa bana a ka ya ho lona go ya kenya kopo ya mofuta oo le ka theoha